The version of Excel that I'm gonna be using in this tutorial is Excel 2019 for Windows. If you're using different version, maybe an older version or even a newer version, there will be some slight differences. But whatever I'm going to show you in this tutorial will still be applicable to you and your usage of Excel. Now, Excel would like me to choose. It wants to know if I would like to open up an Excel template or simply open a blank workbook. You can browse and explore these templates that are available to you. Examples of these templates are seasonal photo calendar, personal monthly budget, academic calendar, so on and so forth. There are also available templates online, but for now, we're going to focus on blank workbook. First thing that we need to do is to learn about the layout in Excel 2019. There are certain terms that you need to know. Across the top, we have some tabs. Each of these tabs are very important. When you click into a particular tab, it opens up a ribbon. When Home tab is clicked, this ribbon will appear. When Insert tab will click, this ribbon will appear. Now, each ribbon is divided up into groups. In Home tab, in this ribbon, it is divided into Clipboard group, Font group, Alignment group, and others. In Insert tab, in this ribbon, they are divided into Tables group, Add-ins, Charts, and others. Some of these groups, there's an available launch button. You can click on those launch buttons to give you even more options. Example, in Format group, there's an available launch button. When this button will be clicked, a dialog box will appear to give us more options in formatting cells. This is the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is made up of rows and columns. We have column A, column B, column C, and others. We have row number 1, number 2, row number 3, row number 4, and others. The intersection of a row and column is what we call a cell. Every cell in Excel has a name. This particular cell is named D6. This particular cell is called A1, column A, row 1. This particular cell is called C1, column C, row 1. A group of cells that are together is called a range. A range can be this, or this, or this. Basically, it is a group of cells that are next to each other. Range can also be named just like cells. Name a range is you start with the upper left. This is D4. And then you say the word through. And you say the name of the cell in the lower right, F9. When you write it in Excel, that would be D4 followed by through. Through symbol is a colon. Then we put F9. What we have done is in a sheet. If you want to add more sheets, just click the plus sign. Each of these sheets added together is what creates a workbook. If you want to delete a sheet, just right-click and click Delete. If you want to rename a sheet, just right-click, select Rename. Example, in this case, we're going to rename it as Report. Let's now start creating and working on an Excel spreadsheet. In this example, we're going to create construction supplies inventory report. If you can find number signs, pound signs, or hashtag in your work, don't fret. It's not an error. It means the cell is not enough to display all information in that specific cell. All we need to do is to increase the column width so that all information in each cell will be displayed. All formula in Excel should start with equal sign. Click D3, multiplication symbol, then click E3. Enter. You don't need to do it again and again. All we need to do is to copy paste or you can drag and drop. Again, if there's a pound sign, all we need to do is to increase the width of our column. We can also change the format of our date. All we need to do is to highlight all dates, go to Home tab, find the number group, click the launch button, look for date, and look for a type which year starts first, followed by month, then day. Now we're going to use the auto sum function. So highlight the numbers to find the sum, then click auto sum found in Home tab, editing group. Now we're going to add two columns before column A. All we need to do is to right click, choose insert. Right click again, select insert.